Well, just another oil change happened. So during this month I have driven 4,600 kilometers, which I think it's good result. That helped to understand what this Z900 can and cannot do and what can be expected. I think it is very, very versatile thing. Filters quite well through the traffic. Does excellent on long distance with a small adjustment of taller seat. I'm a happy customer, really. And I cannot say really anything bad about the bike or negative, or everything is fine. I just added a little bit of windshield, added a taller seat, and that's about it. Yeah. The thing goes. You press the gas, it goes. So that's like my core finding. If you want straight, honest motorcycle, this is the one, without any excessive gadgets apart from ABS. Gives you nice riding experience in town, outside the town. I've been doing greater distances with this thing. Feeling all right about it. I can recommend it to anyone who is unsure whether they need more gadgets maybe. I can say, no, not really. You don't. It is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine bike. Oh, look at that bloody guy with tinted windows. Must be some police. Or most likely some state officials. They like to do this kind of shit. Tinted windows and crap. And be more important. So yeah, coming back to the bike, only the good things. Only the good things. I cannot see any drawbacks. Seating position is comfortable for me. I'm 1.96 m. I had to install a little bit taller seat, but that was about it. And now I'm feeling comfy on longer rides, like 800 kilometers a day, more. So fine. That's a nice cruiser. Certainly, like it's bad for the passenger. Okay, the passengers are slipping and sliding, and this is not really meant for the passenger. Well, I'm thinking to, instead of the passenger seat, I'm gonna order from the shop, from the workshop, the custom-made attachment that would fit instead of pillion seat, and that would be dedicated to accommodate luggage, so that you could attach your luggage better. Right now it is kind of you cannot do it really, and so when I will complete this mission, I will definitely post a video how it looks like, because it just occurred to me that with the same easy mechanism, how to you unlock your pillion seat, instead of the pillion seat or this meaningless plastic cover that is optional, instead of the seat, to have a luggage compartment made out of aluminum, some sort of frame where you can attach your bags, and that would be easily removable with the twist of the key. yeah, that's my sort of bright idea. Since none of the aftermarket people are sort of offering anything remotely like that, so that will be something new. So that's it so far.